So in this next 10 seconds, I will show you how to create this insane floating Spotify effect. If you love next level edits, hit subscribe. This is just the beginning. So let's move on to the video. So at first open Google Chrome. So here I have already copy pasted a prompt over here. So I'll be giving it in the description as well as in the comment box. So just type on Gemini and go into the Gemini. So we are going to do this edit using Gemini AI. So just copy this prompt and paste it over in this text box. And now select the picture you want to use for this edit. So before doing this, you need to consider something like the image you are being selecting should contains more space around the main subject. That's what the main thing you need to consider while choosing the image for this edit. So I have given as an input to the Gemini AI the image as well as the prompt. So the image is getting generated. Wait for a few seconds, you can able to see the image. So at the prompt you can see I have marked a specific area. So in that area, if you just give some particular song's name, it will automatically generate using that particular song's name. So here you can see I have just added like according to the theme generate some songs. So it has generated Shreya Ghoshal, A.R. Rahman at all. So now I'm gonna edit it like I'm gonna give some specific input like you should use Tamil love songs only. I'm gonna give like that. So if we give like that, it will automatically use takes Tamil love songs only for that edit. So like that you can automatically customize by yourself. You can even add your own specific songs. So it's generating the image. So here's the output. So in this output you can see like it only includes Tamil songs, Tamil love songs. So that's what we have given as a prompt. We have changed over there. So this is how we have to do this edit. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. So make sure you have subscribed the channel and click on this bell button. So thank you.